What do you do for fun? Well, let me tell you what I do. Hanging, chillin', smoking with my homies. Hanging, chillin', smoking with my homies. Hanging, chillin', smoking with my homies. Ball so fast, gotta get to the cash. Bitch talk shit, you can kiss my crack ass. I don't give a damn cause I'm with my homies. What you bitches talking about? I ball so hard and walk it out. I don't give a damn, I'm with my homies. Homies. Smoking on that good, chillin' in the hood, ballin' like a G. Yeah, you can see that my iced out grill looks so damn mean. And I'm money savage for the motherfucking green. I'm just ballin' with my homies, chillin' with my homies, smoking on that OG. What you bitches saying? I'm ballin' to the cash. If you niggas talking shit, you can kiss my cracker ass. I be ballin' with my homies, chillin' with my homies. I be smoking with my homies, blowin' on that OG. All you bitches know that I be ballin' to the cash in the hood. What's up? What's good? I'm ballin' on their ass. Watch me do it. Influence these niggas that can't do it. I'm on top of the game. Bitch talk shit, you can understand that I'm on top of the game. I don't give a damn what you say. Rubber band stacks. Get it like that. What you talking that shit, boy? Have to knock your fucking head off. Rip your fucking neck off, damn. Crack going ham with his homies. Got a ball to the money like OG. Sipping on that codeine. Damn, I'm freaking gone. What you bitches talking about? You can kiss my cracker ass. You can go and walk it out. I be chillin' with my homies, blowing on that OG. Everybody know that a cracker keep it OG. Smoking on that good, just chillin' in the hood. I be chillin' with my homies. What you say? Can you come here? Say that shit one more time. Have to knock your ass out with a hard steel rhyme. What you say when I come through? Boy, better zip it up. Lace up like MGK said. Ah, bitch, I would. Told you not to mess with this cracker here. Hanging with my homies, blowing on that OG. Everybody know that a cracker keep it OG. I be hanging with my homies. You know I keep it OG.